Hi everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a tutorial of how to draw arrows and pre-move on your chess.com mobile. So you want to draw arrows and pre-move just like how streamers do it. And here's how you do it. You want to open the game on the chess.com app. To draw an arrow, tap and hold the piece you want and then drag your finger to the targeted square. Release and an arrow will be appear showing your intended move strategy, just like this one. So here they put it to right click and then control. Here are some color options. So if you want to right click, it should be yellow, which is the default color. If you know hold the control and right click, it should be red. And alt and right click, it should be blue. So for pre-moves, tap and hold your piece you want to move, drag it to the targeted square, and before your opponent moves, release. It will show as a gray arrow indicating a pre-move. When it's your turn, if the move is legal, it will execute automatically. Practice combining arrows for tactics and pre-moves for faster play.